Hi everyone, I'm just jumping on. A big order has arrived with lots of kits in it. So for those who haven't seen already, the newest Christmas kit from the mini catalogue has arrived and it is available for order. It is called the Love Santa. So I'm about to open it. I haven't opened it. I've taken the plastic wrapping off. I'm about to open it very quickly. I wanted to show you first of all though, the kit actually comes with sets of tags that you're going to create. So to go with the tags, what I have done is I've ordered the Love Santa treat bags. Now, I did grab treat bags last year when the mini catalogue was out, because I do like to give homemade baking kind of goods as gifts. So the tags will come in handy for that. But I did want to open these and kind of show everybody what they look like and what they are like, and maybe even compare them to the ones that we had last year. So this is them. There are 12 in the pack, different designs. So there's, I think, 4 different designs actually to match the tags. So I'll just pop that one down. So I'm pretty sure you can see this one has just your basic crisscross kind of pattern on it. Now these ones are the large gusseted bags, so they're great for the treats and you can tie them up. But these ones have like an opaque or very matte finish to them. They're really lovely. The quality is amazing. So there's that pattern, and then there's this cute Christmas tree pattern. Now I'm going to actually have a go at using stamping blends to colour some of these in, just as a bit of an experiment, not on camera, but I will give it a go, particularly with this next pattern, which is these gorgeous little dots. So these ones may not make it to my Christmas treats this year. I'm thinking I might use these as a bit of a birthday packaging instead for some things. And then finally a beautiful Christmas one with lots of kind of fernery and your Christmas holly and things like that. So that is the treat bags. They're not shiny and so almost slippery like they have been in previous years, and the ones that are in the annual catalogue, these ones are the matte ones. So it'll be lovely to see them all packaged up and done. So here's the kit. Like all our kits, it comes in the brown box. So I'll open it up and take everything out. So we have a Night of Navy stamping spot. We have some photopolymer stamps. Now we've got like this big ferny kind of fur frond there, and some little dots which I'm assuming are berries. We also have a Joy and a Love Santa and a Merry. So there is Christmas and Bright. So I guess you could do Merry Christmas, Merry and Bright. There's one that says Special Delivery as well, and a little present. So that's kind of cute. Hi Trace, I see that you're there. So yeah, so that's that one. Let me see. And then I'm going to pop this one out and put it to the side. So this is what they are going to look like. So I'm kind of keen to see them, because I have to admit, initial impression was, not my thing. I did watch the video of an unboxing and putting some together, and that actually convinced me to order some. So I didn't know whether you'd opened yours yet, Tracy. So here you go. I'll do it for you. So I'm just going to open it up with my little blade. So this is first impressions here. I love the twine. Now I actually have rolls and rolls and rolls of baker's twine, but not this fine twine. So there you can see it. It's kind of a pinky colour. Oops, sorry, off camera. Kind of not quite red. It's almost pink. So that's kind of cute, because I did notice that in some of the colouring it is pink. Now, these are the ones I'm keen for. Can you see those? How pretty are those? They're like faceted gemstones, so they're like our rhinestones. They are in, I'm assuming that could be Fresh Freesia. Not sure if there's actually a colour, what colours. I'm sure it is. I'll find them somewhere. Then there's kind of like almost a white, and then the yellow. So that they're pretty cute. I like those. Some stamping dimensionals, always handy. I just ordered more of those. An acrylic block, always handy. Now, these are all the little cardstock tags to pop out. And, these are quite big. I didn't expect them to be that big. And I do like the colours. So that was what I was worried about. They looked like really muted tones initially when I saw them. So they're quite cute. Now, I have seen some great cards made with these. So I'm going to have a go at that. So these are not all going to be tags. I know it's not for everyone, but this is the one I really liked, the little car. I've got a friend and she said, oh, it's not for me, but this one's really cute. And it's that bumblebee, I think, colour, that mustardy yellow, which is really nice. Now this one, the tag, has all the embellishments underneath, so I'll show you those. So a few more little tag pieces to pop out and add. And these are really nice. Look at those. So they're the shapes that are very similar and will go really well with this fur one. And so this looks actually really quite simple. So I know the instructions will be in here. So if I turn this over and peel this off, and I am making a mess. Now, these are the little dots that you do get in the kit, and that's what's good about these is they are all inclusive. Hey, Sandy, how are you? Yeah, it does look like an American school bus, yeah. Probably why I like it, because I do like the Magic School Bus. I'm a teacher, for those who don't know, so the Magic School Bus holds a very special place in my heart. And if you don't know Miss Frizzle, I suggest that you go to YouTube and Google it. It's a fantastic show for kids, cartoon. But anyway, going back to the adhesives, I really am not a fan. I'll be honest. I do use glue, and I've just done a bit of a restock, and I think almost all of my YouTubes will tell you that in a past life I was a scrapbooker. I used tape all the time, double-sided tape. I have now been converted to this glue. It's fantastic. So if you haven't got yourself one of these, they're super cheap. They go a very long way. They stick really, really well, and dry super fast as well. Just don't get it on your hands, because they do make it really messy. So those, I do put them aside. I, give them to like my friends or whoever that wants to, just like the kids that want a scrapbook and don't mind fiddling with the little tiny bits, but my fingernails just don't want to peel these off. So, oh yes, Magic School Bus is definitely still a big favourite at schools. So I can tell you that rainy days, Magic School Bus tends to go on the big screen. So, and super educational. I think I watched one just recently, and it was all about the digestive system, and the information is pretty correct for little kids. So it's really cool. Yeah. Yeah, so, and the instructions. So how easy is this? I am going to have a go, not on camera, and I will come back, because I will create one of each tag, take some really good photos for you, and pop them up over on Instagram and Facebook, and over on my blog as well. So, yeah, they do look fiddly, Sandy. They are really, really a pain. So, yes, I'm glad I've been converted to the good old glue. So yeah, and then I'm going to have a go at doing one or two alternative cards. I have seen some really inspirational ones out there with some nice embossed backgrounds and things like that. So I'll give that a go as well. So thanks for joining me. It was lovely to see a few people on board, and this will be popped up over on my YouTube and Facebook as well. So I'd love to see what everyone else does with theirs. For those of you locally that have purchased a kit through me, they have arrived. I have sent the email out letting everyone know. So make sure that you come and grab it. And if you want to sit with me and make some cards from your tags as well, we can have a play. Let me know. Thanks, everyone. Have a good afternoon.